In Pollença and Santa Maria del Camí, there are still workshops that make cloth with hand-driven looms. Its uniqueness is in the warp of colourful threads dyed in paste or earth baths and their original ornamental designs. The bosses for the distribution of each unique warp guard well the secrets of their workshops for generations. The threads of the hand-woven cloth are always white, while the width of the cloth is limited due to the structure of the looms, and therefore the hand-woven material cannot exceed 80 or at best 100 centimetres. It is typical of Mallorcan woven material that linen and cotton are mixed, but sometimes silk and linen are also mixed. The mix of cotton and linen creates great strength and good wear for machine washing. By the way, woven cloth is recognisable because the front and back of the cloth always show the design with the same depth of colour, whereas if printed, one side is more saturated than the other.